Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use a voice mod. Now voice mod is a voice changing app that you can use for your game streaming and other content creations. Now first thing you need to do is go to audio settings to configure your audio errors. Now you want to make sure that your microphone and headphones is connected to the voice mod app as well. Now you can test your voice by using your microphone if it actually works. When you're done setting it up, you can click continue to get started. Once you're in the voice box, you can see different types of keybinds you can use for your voice changing modes. And on the left side, you can adjust the settings of your voice change. Now you want to make sure that your voice changer is enabled and you can also hear yourself while changing it. Go to soundboard and you can also see different cool keybinds you can also add while you're changing your voice. When you go to Voice Lab, this feature is only available for pro users only. And these are the settings for the audio and also the general settings. And these also have settings for the keybinds. Now back to the voice box. You can click on the different keybinds and you can test your microphone and you can hear your voice that it is changing. Let's try on the cave keybind. That's it. You can use voice mod and voice changing while you are streaming live or doing other content creations. If you think this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, click on the notification button for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.